Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a tool that you can find online, and this is called the Tessellation Creator. So a tessellation is a pattern of shapes that will cover up a surface area without leaving any gaps. So I'll give you an example of a really simple one. Up here you have a list of different shapes, and it shows you with numbers how many edges each shape has. Also, I guess how many vertices it has too. So the first shape that I picked was a triangle. Now a triangle is a good one for tessellations because, let me grab another one, it tessellates very easily. What I can do is, I'll show you some of the tools on the left hand side. So I put two triangles down. Now this triangle, if I keep laying this triangle out, it won't create a tessellation. It's because there's empty space. You can see the empty space right there. So in order to make this tessellate, I'm going to need to use some of the tools over here. So there's an eraser, and you can erase like one shape at a time if you need to. This one allows you to rotate, and you can see the moving arrows. But if you click on the shape, you can see that one just turned a little bit. So it'll do a rotation for you. Now, be patient with it, and if you get it to rotate enough, you can turn it so that it will fit right there, and that will tessellate nicely. If you wanted to get a closer view, you can use this. If you wanted to pan out, you can use that. Just found an extra triangle, so I'll erase that one. Don't need that. But I'll get a little closer. And the close-up sometimes is helpful to help you adjust the shapes if you need to. This tool right here is the best one, especially when you're ready to start tessellating. So if I drag a selection box around this, it'll highlight the whole thing. And then if I hit this button, it will give me an exact copy of what I just made. Now, if I try to tessellate with this, you can see that it won't fill up everything without gaps. If I connect this one with that one, and you see there's a gap right there. So I have to make an adjustment. So this would be a good time to use the rotation tool again. And watch what I can do with this. Okay, so now I have that. If I put this on here, I can copy that, make this one, and then I'll group that together. Whoa, okay, I'm able to rotate that too. That wasn't really what I wanted to do, but now it's connected. So I can place this one right here, and I can make another copy. And you can see now I'm starting to create something that will tessellate very well. And if I group this and copy it, they'll fit together, and you can group again and start filling in the gaps. So tessellations are used for flooring, for wall tiles, basically anywhere where you want a surface that has a repeating pattern and is solid. That's where you would use tessellations. So someday in careers, some of you might use tessellations to either design things or to build things. So there are a lot of different uses for it. Once you get the tessellation going, you can select really big chunks of it and copy that and then back out. And you can see, let's see, how would that fit? There we go. I'll take another big piece, copy that, and you can see this definitely will tessellate. This definitely is covering the whole surface, so there's no problem with that. So to summarize, probably there were a couple keywords, one or two keywords that you would hear in this presentation. Tell your partner one of the keywords. And if you said tessellation, you are right. If you decide to scrap your whole idea, there's this dustpan down here. This breaking shape, I never got that to work. So if you get it to work, good for you. Let me know. And then you have a color selector down here. So if you wanted to adjust colors, you can do that. All right, read the directions, see what your goal is for the activity, and good luck. I'll see you later.